Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this domino set, so we are going to take a look at it. Now, this is a 91-piece set, and it comes in this awesome travel case. That is a nice hard case. It's got a little handle that you can take with you, and it has a lock right here. We will open up and reveal the dominoes. So each one of these are all individually colored, and they have up to a 12 by 12 set on here. So we are going to take these out. This does have a nice soft lining in there, and inside you get your rules on how to play. You get a scorecard, and you get this little thing to be able to start. You put your starting domino here, and then each one of your trains will go off of here. And you get little trains for your players. So I'm going to undo these dominoes, and we will take a look at the game. So I've got all the dominoes out here, and we've just pulled a random one and put that into the center. So now everybody has their own hole. You draw your dominoes up. Now these are nice and indented with really bright and vibrant colors on here. You can easily see the different colors. And the sizes are all different sizes too. So you put up your things, and then somebody starts. And if you have a match, you can put it in here, and then you just go around the table clockwise. They do have all of the different trains, so if you can't play, your little train can just sit right on there, and everybody has their own colors of trains. So you can actually play up to 10 people on here, have teams, and have a nice family game night.